Mastering Claude's structured output in Python. Best practices. In this video, learn to create organized data formats with Python and improve your AI applications for better data handling and analysis. Welcome to this video on mastering Claude's structured output in Python. Did you know that over 90% of AI errors are due to poorly structured data? Today, we're diving into how Claude, when paired with Python, can revolutionize how you handle data in AI applications. We'll explore why structured outputs are vital, the seamless integration between Claude and Python, and how you can set up your environment for success. Let's get started. Claude is a powerful AI tool that, when combined with Python, can significantly enhance the way you manage data. In this segment, we'll explore Claude's core functionalities and the role Python plays in maximizing these capabilities. Claude enables the generation of structured outputs, which are crucial for clarity and efficiency in data handling. We'll look at real-time examples where structured data formats have led to improved AI results and discuss the benefits of using Claude for structured outputs, such as better data analysis and easier integration with other applications.
Structured output is the cornerstone of effective data handling in AI. But why is it so important? Structured data allows for more efficient data processing and analytics, leading to enhanced AI performance. In this section, we'll compare structured and unstructured data and discuss the common pitfalls associated with the latter. We'll also highlight case studies where structured outputs have been pivotal in achieving AI success. By organizing your data effectively, you can minimize errors and maximize your AI's potential. Before leveraging Claude's capabilities, it's essential to have your Python environment set up correctly. In this block, we'll guide you through installing the necessary libraries and configuring your environment to ensure seamless operation with Claude. We'll also address common setup issues and provide solutions to prevent any roadblocks. Ensuring compatibility between Claude and Python is crucial, and with our tips, you'll have a smooth setup process, paving the way for effective structured output generation.
With your Python environment ready, it's time to dive into writing basic structured output commands. We'll introduce you to essential syntax and walk you through examples of simple data structures. Understanding these basics is crucial, as even minor errors can lead to significant issues. We'll highlight common mistakes made by beginners and provide a practical exercise to reinforce your learning. By mastering these commands, you'll be well on your way to producing clear and organized data outputs.
Once you're comfortable with basic commands, it's time to tackle more complex data structures. In this segment, we'll explore advanced techniques for handling intricate data types and integrating multiple data sources into your structured outputs. Debugging complex structures can be challenging, but we'll provide strategies to overcome these hurdles. By following best practices, you can ensure your advanced outputs are both efficient and reliable, enhancing your AI application's overall performance. Errors in structured output generation can be frustrating, but with the right strategies, they can be effectively managed. In this block, we'll discuss how to identify common errors and the best debugging strategies for structured outputs. We'll also introduce Python tools that can aid in error detection and provide real-world examples of successful debugging. By understanding these processes, you can prevent errors in future projects and ensure smooth data handling in your AI applications.
Integrating Claude's structured outputs with other Python libraries can significantly expand your application's functionality. We'll discuss the benefits of such integration and highlight top Python libraries for data processing, such as Pandas and NumPy. Our step-by-step guide will walk you through the integration process, showing you how to enhance functionality with library features. We'll conclude with a case study demonstrating the successful integration of these libraries, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of the process. Structured outputs are not just a theoretical concept, they have real-world applications that can transform industries. In this final content block, we'll explore successful case studies where structured data has been pivotal in achieving business goals. From innovative solutions in tech startups to efficiency improvements in large corporations, Claude and Python's capabilities are making waves. We'll also discuss future trends in structured data usage, providing insights into how you can stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of AI. Congratulations on completing this deep dive into mastering Claude's structured output in Python. We've covered everything from basic commands to advanced techniques, debugging, and real-world applications. Structured outputs are key to efficient data handling and AI success. We encourage you to apply these skills in your projects and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more in-depth tutorials. See you in the next video.